it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. Today, guys, we're here because Instagram's telling you here. We're here with Elle, Jhenaé. Hope I'm saying your name right, Mama. Elle, Jhenaé. So, any post me see on Instagram, whether upon quest time or tropics or whatever, in the comment section you go. This is all you see. Elle, Jhenaé, Sekkle. So, I say, what is this song about? We're going to find out. Come on, know. We're going to find out. Sorry to interrupt your video, guys. Today again with some more promotions, guys. So if you need your videos or your songs to be on the platform, you can follow me on Instagram and send me a message in my DMs. Serious inquiries only, please, if you want prices and stuff like that. And you're serious about putting the music out there as a young artist and big artist, same way, you can do that same way by linking up your Zimmy. Jamaica_verse_gamer on Instagram, you see me. Also, guys, if you have any party you promote and you need promotional prices, also you can link me up for that, you see me. But yeah, let's get back to the video. Let's go. Let's get it.
Me good daddy best. Make a man cry, make him vex. Now vicious come and grip me place. Oh yeah, me love the real sex. Leave me breasts and squeeze my neck.
Please. What you love? Rough what, Ellie? Me like this already and it just start. Let's go. Make a best moment, you can fire in the comment section. Ready?
Me good daddy best. Make a man cry, make him vex. Now vicious come and grip me place.
So she has sing about her good. She say her good. Make man stress out, mad out. She say her good, make man stress. Yeah. Cause she got the good, the glimmer to the
Yes, make a man cry, make him vex. Now vicious come and grip me place. Oh yeah, me love the real sex. Leave me breasts and squeeze my neck. Boy, you.
She love the rough one.
Me love the real sex. Leave me breasts and squeeze my neck.
Thing her raise and squeeze her neck. I saw she like it rough. She ain't up on the mama and papa thing. No, she ain't up on the lovey-dovey thing. There's a time and place for everything. She tell us, no, not right here. What she like it.
Me love the real sex. Leave me breasts and squeeze my neck. Boy, you better than the rest. Take your time, baby, just say cool. So real.
She said, boy, you're better than the rest. So the boy where she has sing to, which is not me, of course. She said, the boy better than the rest. So she ready for Sekkle. Yeah. Cocky make she Sekkle.
Yes. Take your time, baby, just say cool. So real good, you don't even know if you ask that. Boy, me never tell her I swear on a rum chat.
So she tell her, say, yo, there's something good and she didn't even have to ask that. She confident about her body parts. She confident about her private parts. She confident about her tun. She confident about her punani. It is the best. Yeah, she don't have to ask that.
So real good, you don't even know if you ask that. Boy, me never tell her I swear on a rum chat.
And on a rum chat, you see me? Yeah. Once a man go, that man go tell her, say, baby, you know, say something good. She not have to ask that. Him not have to ask that.
So real good, you don't even know if you ask that. Boy, me never tell her I swear on a rum chat. When you bend me over for your back shot, all pan my terms, you know you have to ask for.
Worse when you bend her over for your back shot. When you go to boom and stab it, it make a little sound. A good pussy speaks for itself, mama. Yeah. You don't have to declare nothing. Bend you over and stab you 2 times and hear a little sound. A good pussy speaks for itself.
When you bend me over for your back shot all pan my terms, you know you have to ask for. Missionary still come up pretty, cocky well stiff and it make you pussy drippy.
Missionary still cause she pretty. Some girl you can't turn them, you can't do missionary with them cause them monkey face them make worse than a monkey to blood clot. But she tell us say, yo, she pretty. She can look pan. Yeah? Even when she just wake up, she can look pan. She have the look pan appearance, she have the front appearance. Some girl a backseat.
Ask for missionary still come up pretty, cocky well stiff and it make you pussy drippy. Brawling link, you know I never Jim Screechy and any man name can call on the nookie.
She say a brawling link and never Jim Squeechy. A brawling link and never hide and seek thing. A brawling shot. The man a come right through our front door. Right through the front door. Not jump through no window or nothing. No. Cause them thing legal, them thing legit. Who don't like it, drop asleep and don't wake up.
Brawling link, you know I never Jim Screechy and any man name can call on the nookie. Make a man cry, make him vex. Now vicious gonna grip it less. Oh yeah, me love the rough sex. Feel me breast and squeeze my neck. Boy, you better than the rest. Take it and baby, just Sekkle. I go fuck back, you know that I'm my style. Never shut a man tight, clean as snow. Sekkle. I go fuck back, you know that I'm my style. Never shut a man tight, clean as snow like.
So the pussy not only just tight, but boom boom clean. Clean. It don't make sense you have a tight hole if it don't clean, mama. Your whole have to have the whole package. The whole package. Yeah. You know what I skip tune up pages and you see couple leaf tear out. No, all the leaf is supposed to be in a book. All of the leaves supposed to be in a book. Pum clean and tight. Comfortable. Sekkle.
I go fuck back, you know that I'm my style. Never shut a man tight, clean as snow line. Eat up is something, come deal with the hostile. Come deal with the hostile, never check.
Deal with the hostile. Deal with the crabbit. Yeah. Ram out the miggle. Deal with it. Yo. Yeah. Ram that like it's free for come in. And that's right there. What?
Clean as snow line. Eat up is something, come deal with the hostile. Come deal with the hostile, never try no. A nigga got me on the wish list, but him can't hit this. Shot up on the wishes, now the money can't kiss this. Thing never local, know it well limited. Living on your mind, rent free, cause me good.
Lord, living in mind. Rent free. The thing never local. No, it limited. It limited. So anybody can come get this. No, that is what she's saying. Of course not me. Come on, duh.
Snow line, eat up is something, come deal with the hostile. Come deal with the hostile, never try no. A nigga got me on the wish list, but him can't hit this. Shot up on the wishes, now the money.
The G have her on the wish list, but guess what? Him can't get it same way. Not because she up on your wish list means you gotta get her. That is what Elle is saying. Not me. Not me. Mama, you sang bad.
Tight, clean as snow line. Eat up is something, come deal with the hostile. Come deal with the hostile, never try no. A nigga got me on the wish list, but him can't hit this. Shot up on the wishes, now the money can't kiss this. Thing never local, know it well limited. Living on your mind, rent free, cause me good are the best.
Living in your mind rent free because our tuntun, our punani, our mergi, our is the best. Yes, you can't stop thinking about it as a G.
I know it well limited. Living on your mind, rent free, cause me good are the best. Make a man cry, make him vex. Now vicious got me gripping less. Oh yeah, me love the rough sex. Feel me breast and squeeze my neck. Boy, you better than the rest. Take your time, baby, just Sekkle.
Take it from she just Sekkle, blood clot. That is why Instagram bring me over here. Sang bad, mom, sang bad. Yeah, nice name as well. Elle, Jhenaé, like Jhenaé. You know, she has some friend, Jhenaé. I hope I'm saying the name right. Anyway, hope I'm not butchering it. Who produce a song? Who produce a song? I want to give the production team a nice shout out. Who produce? Me not see it. Me not see who produce a song. Mama, big up yourself. This is the power of social media. Like, if it wasn't for Instagram, I know say me and a lot of other people wouldn't find that song here. And I dropped a video earlier on and somebody comment and say, yo, also go react to that song here. So we are here. Flow and Pint. Yo, the Flow and Pint, the melody, she can sing. She talented, obviously. Ellie, one thing, mega criticize you for now. One thing mega criticize you. We need a visual, we need a video. Remember say you said the fuck brawling and a Jim Squeechy thing, you know. Remember say, you know. So, we want all that in the video. Yeah. Man, I come link you brawling. You know what I mean? Yeah, come pick you up in a front seat. Take off slippers, take off Bridget and cock up foot. Cock up foot pan dashboard. You told them do. You're supposed to cock you up. Oh, the blood clot to some girl. Do a favor, Ginger. Not you, mama. Not you. Not you. Blood. Not you. Hey. All that girl, man, who said them to a favor, Ginger. Drop in the comment section and say, not me. Oh, the blood clot to some girl. What is some girl? Yeah. Mama, big up yourself, Dale. It's a banger. I like it. Big up yourself. Elle, Jhenaé, big up yourself. Thanks again to Instagram for bringing me over here. You see me? Yeah. Sekkle, Elle, Jhenaé. That's it there. This is what I'm going to leave on still. If you enjoy the one and I want to see more from your boy, you don't know. Drop a like on the video. Subscribe around there if you're new, ladies. Ladies! I'll see you, my babies.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And this is a rip corner.